Greetings, great awakened warriors of the new messianic lineage. Shalom, Adonai Namaste. We are bridging all worlds, from the southeast to the northwest and everywhere in between. Our ancestors are gathering around the sacred fire. With each one of us, the thunder beings are with us now. You feel the fire from within being activated, rising up through your Katika channel, Shushumna rising. The rainbow serpent fully activated, all chakras fully open. The three Dantians resonating in perfect harmony with the crystal palace. I'm sure if you're listening to this now, you felt the activation, the crystal palace and the sacred cave in the center of the brain today, with the activation of the pineal and the pituitary glands in the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere of the brain coming into synchronization. I know for many this was an uncomfortable feeling, an uncomfortable day, but right now in this activation, no, you feel the bliss, you feel the chills. Many of you are getting these activations, feeling it rising up through your crown, into the cosmos, into your sacred vessel, through this vessel into the holographic vessel of cosmic consciousness, the Christos consciousness of the divine Mother, Father, God, Prime Creator, the great mystery, here now. Okay, now that we got that, we got through that, let's get down to business here. Grandmother Bear, coming in. Here we go. Aho! I want to start by thanking all of you, our star blossoms, our star seeds, our way shores, for transmitting your love, your light to myself, my sacred condor, our soul star family, and all the star nations. And thank you for your beautiful comments. The Galactics are watching everything we're doing here, and each one of you are assisting in full disclosure. That's why we call our channel, one of our channels and website, Prime Disclosure. It is erasing the nonsense of the Prime Directive. That was an experiment, that was a test and a lesson, and we have resolved it, and it is being lifted. The quarantine of the false matrix is being lifted, so that all world bridgers now in full activation can bridge heaven and earth through the rainbow bridge. Some are ready for this, some aren't. But know that you are on the path if you're hearing these words now. And if you are ready, rise now through these energies to the highest peak, to the holiest temple, to the most sacred hall of records. The records are the music of the spheres. It is the 12 strands being activated with the 12 codes of the 144 here now. And with that massive amplitude activation through the Schumann couple days ago with that 6,000 hertz amplitude, that is a higher dimensional octave coming in from 12D through the 7D, through the 9-7, into the 6, the 3, anchored in the foundation of the new earth, fully anchored. And know that the Lemurian 5 are here. The ring of fire is fully activated. The divine goddess is fully awake, and she is rising like the sacred condor into the night. And all Christos conscious, divine masculine, bro stars of light, you know who you are, and we are assisting the divine goddess, the Magdalenes, as they rise in the glory, bringing in the holy waters, the Matrika, the divine waters, the divine matrix, transforming and transmuting the old to co-create the new earth, the new Eden, the new Jerusalem. Shalom. And as myself with my queen, my sacred condor, as we connect to our councils, our council of 9 is being activated. We're assembling the council of 12, the first 12, to then manifest the 12 by 12. And as I connect with each one of our first council, we are being activated, and we are accelerating the manifestation of our great empire of love. And these love codes will spread through the lands, through these healing centers, through the sanctuaries that we will create, co-create together. And one simple example of our powers of manifestation. My queen and I, my sacred condor, we're talking about doing therapy with horses as part of our healing center, and a local healer that does therapy with humans interacting with horses. She has a beautiful white horse. I plan on connecting with her in the next couple of weeks to collaborate potentially. And her white horse, his name is Avalon. So we are seeing that we'll be working with horses, many different animals. And those on our Patreon page, you can see my interaction with wild horses. There were 2 videos I shot in Death Valley on 2 separate days when a herd of wild horses came up to me, and one let me touch them on the forehead. So I received the horse medicine, but I've always loved and worked with horses my whole life, and many other different animals, which we'll get into in the future. But several days ago we talked about a horse, and then when I connected with a couple of our council in Utah, Divine Sister Wendy and Divine Brostar Lee, and I had mentioned that we want to work with horses and potentially therapy at our healing center. They said, we can send you a horse. So that shows you the power of our visions, and together. So with the Council of 9, as we hold the vision, and then each council holds the vision for each center, that the power of manifestation is going to be so powerful that we're going to create such beauty in these sanctuaries that is going to be unlike anything that's ever seen in this realm. So until we get the land and the property, which we're seeing hopefully within the next 2 months for the first center, and a place that we can meet, that we can gather, we can open a gallery, an art gallery, we can have a dojo where I can teach and many of you can come, and we will be having events and ceremony and many different things. So I'll be having several meetings online with some of our angelic team, our earth angelics, and I'll keep you up to date as we move along. Okay, thank you all for bearing with me here and hanging in there, and keep shining your light brightly into the night. We're jumping so many timelines here. We'll stay in this one. So if you're on our Patreon, be sure to go to the community page, and we have the 2 links to my interactions with the 2 wild horses, the 2 herds, but in particular the leader of the herd, the white spirit horse, most powerful creature. And you'll also get to hear me play the Native American flute. So if you'd like to support our work and mission, the Eagle and the Condor of Heros Gamos, you can make a pledge on patreon.com/prime disclosure. The link is in the description below. So thank you all for hanging in there with us. We appreciate you all. We start today again with the Sabian symbols. Right now the moon is at 19 degrees 58 minutes Gemini. The sun is at 5 degrees 13 minutes Aquarius. The current Sabian symbol for the moon, 20-degree Gemini, a cafeteria with an abundance of choices. And the current Sabian symbol for the sun, at 6 degrees Aquarius, a masked figure performs ritualistic acts in a mystery play. From astrologyweekly.com. Today from Divine Brostar of the Light Pars Kute. There is such a beautiful, purifying plasma light code frequencies that are illuminating the grid around our planet as the activation of source light is infused within the outer atmosphere surrounding our Earth. Gradually, this divine light is strongly impacting the magnetic core within our Earth plane. There are so many things happening at the moment for us to individually realign within for reconnection to the sacred part of ourselves, our true multidimensional selves. This is our time to evolve consciously by actively engaging within the many new paths that are opening to us in this now moment. Remember, all connection to these openings is made through our own heart space and not through our minds. And this is our time to move within our sacred higher selves, within a space of pure source consciousness of oneness with all that is, with sacred love of one, Pars Kute. Today from Divine Sister of the Light, Carolyn, servant of Yahweh. The light column and the spinal columns of the divine masculine and feminine Christ are being prepared. This is through wisdom. She is clearing and activating the mortal 7-chakra system in the ancestral bloodline of Adam, purifying the Grail kings and queens to the seed point in preparation for alchemical marriage. You are being fully supported and taken away from unhealthy relationships now. That cycle you are on was simply to serve mission of destroying the devil through your life, people, and experiences. God did this through you as part of your soul's contract and mission to collapse the draconian rule that's been here from Atlantean timelines. No longer shall you suffer, no longer shall you weep. The Most High is neutralizing the past for healing, peace, and closure. This is the neutralization and karma from sorcery and spell work of the Cabal. God has heard your prayers and is answering today with information, communication, and manifestations of your co-creations, birthing into your reality. The war over the spells is done. The bride of Christ is free. Our wombs are free. Now we can successfully output our alchemical creations as the Holy Grail. This also brings the end of emotional drama in your life. You're free to walk into your new life of emotional fulfillment. This may mean letting others go who have not been reciprocating the same relationship goals with you. Trust in God's plan. Everything is moving along perfectly. This is a very blessed opportunity of freedom from fighting for love. You are thriving now, and in a new position of alchemy. This is the union of the beloveds coming together in you, your life, and external reality, quenching your thirst in all ways. This is God's kingdom that's manifesting in the lives of His covenant family. Witness as this all blooms right before our eyes. From Carolyn Kundalini Twin Flames, 27 Arcturians coming in now. Today from Divine Sister of the Light, Karen Lithika. Holographic reality, the Arcturians. We ask you to feel beyond the vibrational ripples of your world to reach the holographic light streams made of infinite light particles, systematically and vibrationally created to form your world. Chemical light codes energetically magnetized together, forming a unique energetic signature of light. Visualize your biodiverse reality, the suite of unique species, unique landscapes, and species interactions. Coupled with weather events, it provides a window into the complex light tapestry of your world. We ask you to visualize the complexity of emotions, another light system, integrated with evolutionary light capabilities, to see this as a living light matrix, intercoded specifically to a species, a unique emotional temperament, a unique emotional evolutionary mission, aligned to this moment in your construct, as your species is scattered throughout your world, living in a myriad of environments, situations, resulting in an integration of different emotions based on the pressures of your reality, like a living force impacted by introduced plants and animals, affecting the natural, original ecosystem flow. Yet beings find a way to integrate, adapt, as humanity finds a way to reach a higher point of light awareness and understanding, to find the highest light source within, to use this as a point of integrating and reaching true alignment, the true form and essence of who you are. Amongst the emotional tapestry of your world, we ask you to continue and stay aligned to the highest light stream, for the light tapestry of your construct is an ever-expanding stream of light. Know you are a wonderful shining light, illuminating the light tapestry of your world. As your world continues to awaken, adapt, and shine, the evolutionary process of change and awakening. Love for your day. Global Light Family, the Arcturians, and Karen Lithika from KarenLithika.com. Today, from Divine Sister of the Light, Asara Adams. Latest energy update by the Pleiadian Syrian Arcturian Council of Light, January 24, 2021. We are here now. We love you. We are you from your future to assist you on your path. As everything is rapidly changing in the world, the only constant is your connection to Source. What is playing out on the world stage is in constant flux. Many are unsettled and uncertain about the current reality. Just remember that everything in the third-dimensional world is not really real. It is part of the matrix, which is simply a reflection of the collective and individual consciousness. This matrix is responding to the thoughts, feelings, words, and actions of each individual as well as that of humanity as a whole. The only way to change the reflection in the matrix and ultimately leave the matrix into the higher dimensions is to forge a strong connection to Source. The more attention you are paying to your connection to Source, the less attention you'll pay attention to the reflection in the matrix. The more attention you are paying to your connection to Source, the more you are able to feel the divine perfection of Source. The more you are feeling the divine perfection of Source, the more you are able to bring into your emotional, mental, and physical body. Once you have accomplished that, you are beginning to create a powerful momentum that will then in turn change your experience of the world. You are beginning to change your experience from the inside outwards into your reality. The more you are radiating the divine energies of Source into the matrix, it begins to change. Eventually, the lower energies of the third-dimensional world will leave your reality because they cannot sustain themselves in your higher vibrational energy field. You are now connecting to the higher dimensional reality, and every day you are making the strong connection stronger. All of a sudden, experiences are entering your reality that are new and of a higher vibration of love, joy, ease, abundance, and well-being. Without physically leaving your place, energetically things begin to shift higher. Your divine connection to Source becomes stronger, and you are becoming a new person in a new reality. Welcome to the divine new earth. We are holding the vision of the divine new earth with you, and from our vantage point it is glorious. We are with you every step of the way. You are loved beyond measure. We are with you always. We love you. We are you. Namaste. Thank you, Pleiadian Sirian, Arcturian Council of Light, channeled through Asara Adams from TelosChannel.com. And today from Divine Sister of the Light, Linda Lee. The planet is releasing intensely. Dear beloveds, the Divine has a short message. The planet Earth is moving rapidly at the moment. The movement has to do with Gaia's releasing. Know that the fast movement can cause human body reactions and ascension symptoms. The Divine wants to give you a heads up and advise you to take it easy and allow the body to relax. At this moment, the physical body is going through a lot of work and changes because of all the incoming energies, the activations, and DNA upgrades. Be gentle with your body, dear ones, and flow with the process so that eventually the body will gradually catch up with the process and get the integrations and recalibrations done. I love you, dear children on earth. I am your Mother Divine. Go in peace now. And from Divine Sister of the Light, Judith Kusel, the true power is within you and not outside of you. If you truly stand in your highest power as one with the Divine Source within you and around you, you will not be swayed. You will come from the space of inner power and not from fear and anxiety and stress. The word power is so often confused with worldly power and brute force, the kind that we were used to in the 3D. That is not the power I am speaking of here. In truth, it is far more loving and subtle power which comes from deep within yourself, and thus something which no one and nothing can take away from you. It stems from the inherent energy of your own soul, fully empowered and fully activated in the highest and deepest sense, filled with divine love and coming from the heart and soul within yourself. You stand firmly anchored in the power of love, in divine light, divine love, divine wisdom as one with your own soul. You are deeply filled from within and seek not to be filled from the outside any longer. You are standing in your highest soul mastery, and you seek the highest and most sacred path, and it becomes your heart wish and your soul prayer to lovingly serve from the heart and soul and all that you are in truth. With it comes a deeper inner peace, deeper inner knowing and wisdom to allow yourself to be guided by divine hands, every single step, every moment as one. You embrace divinity, you embrace the power of unconditional love, and live this. This is a beautiful, soul, heart, love-filled power and will indeed be the driving force for the new golden age. From JudithKusel.com. Today from Divine Sister of the Light, Leah Whitehorse, Lua Astrology, Sun conjunct Saturn in Aquarius. This is the first solar conjunction since Saturn moved into Aquarius. Pay attention to what happens today as feelings and events may describe what we need to work on during Saturn's transit here. Generally, we may feel blocked, stopped, frustrated by obstacles, but perhaps the universe has seen that some caution is required before rushing ahead. Implement a strategy, take your time, ground yourself, come back to the present. The sun illuminates where commitment is required. Accept responsibility with grace. Maturity is letting go of denial. The quicker we accept reality, the easier it becomes to create constructive change. Define your mission and purpose. When we let go of resistance and self-doubt, we can devote ourselves to the task at hand. Reframe how you see yourself. Know that you can achieve your objectives. Give yourself permission to shine. From LeahWhitehorse.com. Today from Divine Sister of the Light, Christina Papagiorgio. Red Lunar Dragon, Kin 4-1, 24 January 2021. Trusting in Nurturance. 24-1-2021 equals 6-1-5 equals 6-6 equals 12 equals 3. 24 Magnetism, Joy, Charisma, Love. 6 Heaven, Christ Consciousness, Harmony, Family. 1 New Beginnings, Original Leader. 5 Freedom, Change, Transformation, Liberation. 3 Holy Trinity, Joy, Creativity. Kin 4-1 equals 5 Freedom, Liberation. A very transformative day that challenge you to make a first fresh start. Red Dragon is tribe number 1, and Kin 41 commences at the top of the third column of the Tzolk'in. The number 3 represents Holy Trinity, joy, creativity, communication, and expression. It relates to the solar plexus chakra and rediscovering and claiming our power. All these themes will overlay during the next 20 days. Day 2 in the Yellow Sun wave spell of illuminating our highest evolutionary path to reclaim our soul power and full sovereignty. Today we are challenged to balance the polarity battles between light and dark and ground the light into our physical reality. Tone of creation, lunar tone 2 in the physical realm. The lunar tone represents the sacred twins, cooperation, relationship, polarity of male and female, and duality. Its action polarizes, power challenges, essence stabilizing. A day filled with questioning how you can transcend duality, using your inner magician through your power of compassion and nurturance. It is time to step out of the duality game and all its possible challenges in order to resolve fears, leading you back to wholeness. Polarity reveals your conflict struggles and the apparent separation created by your beliefs in duality. Polarized positions actually work in cooperative alliance. In cooperation and polarity within yourself, explore your divine feminine and masculine aspects. Has your feminine aspect been repressed from being receptive to the magic that surrounds you and enchanting others by your true beauty and raw vulnerability? It is real to express your true inner being and allow more receptivity to flow into your life. Do not hide parts of yourself, compartmentalizing fragments of your soul. No longer can we wear the masks of duality. It is time to take off all your masks that you have been hiding behind and be whole again. Bring all that is dark into the light. The authentic you is beautiful and radiant in your raw essence, a spark of the divine. Step out and shine. Today's question is, what needs to be stabilized in your physical reality in order for you to feel nurtured and cared for by others and Source? Today we have the opportunity to cast away the darkness of the past and start again afresh. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. What will you birth and create? Divine blessings for the discovery of total nurturance in the womb of your mother dragon. And Lakek Alakin, Christina White, Magnetic World Bridger, Kin 66. Kin 4-1, Red Lunar Dragon. The mantra, the code for today is, I polarize in order to nurture, stabilizing being. I seal the input of birth with the lunar tone of challenge. I am guided by the power of space. Through the power of space, the void, timelessness, let us know, beloved beings of light, in the comments below what you're experiencing, what you're feeling, your visions, your dreams, your synchronicities. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and click on the subscribe button below and the little bell to get notifications. of future updates. And as always, we have a link in the description below to the transcriptions of today's transmissions, and we archive these on our website, primedisclosure.com. I'd like to take a moment to thank everyone for your support, for your pledges and donations. We rely 100% on our pledges, donations for our daily living expenses, and we are building our momentum towards our healing retreat centers, our sustainable communities, and then ultimately we will be working on a technology for divine masculines and divine feminines to come together, those that are seeking their divine union. But this is in the works. This is going to take time, energy, and financial support, so one step at a time. Our next phase we're trying to accelerate is the first center that we can build a dojo. And for those on our Patreon, I recorded one of the most powerful Qigong practices, and it is a practice that I have never taught outside of my dojos over the years. So this will be the first time I release this video to the public through our Patreon page. So look for that in the next couple days. I'd like to thank and welcome Divine Bro Star of the Light, Mr. Morty, for your pledge and support on Patreon. Thank you very much, Bro Star of the Light. And I'd also like to thank Divine Bro Star of the Light, Caesar, a bro, for raising your pledge on Patreon. It's because of each one of you that we're inching our way to fulfill our mission and vision of bridging heaven and earth through our sacred lineage of the eagle and condor, the black gold condor and the white gold eagle, flying in harmony, coming together in Hieros Gamos, the Christos, the Magdalene, the Shakti, the Shiva, the new Atlantis, the new Lemuria, merging into one united ascension of 5D into our 12D lineage. If you'd like to support our work and mission, you can make a pledge on patreon.com/prime disclosure. That link's in the description below. And thank you everyone for your donations. If you'd like to make a one-time donation, we have a link to our PayPal page in the description below under the video. And part of those proceeds will go towards our daily living expenses and towards our first healing center. And also, last but not least, thank you, all our sis stars and bro stars of the light, supporting my sacred condor, my goddess, my queen's art business on Etsy. She has added a couple new goddess totems of divine union, of divine love, of the divine feminine goddess energies. You can purchase these goddess totems on lunagoddessart.com. That link is also in the description. So thank you all. We appreciate each and every one of you for your love, support, and beauty. And we are getting some beautiful, amazing messages from people that are getting the activations from the sacred art, from these unique handmade goddess totems. We end today's transmission today again from our divine Bro Star of the Light, Li Parore of our Huna Bro Stars and Sisters of the Light. Golden Gate Continuum Wave, Royal Star Transmission coming online, new Zodiac Star Grid, Galactic Core Impulse, Arc Systems to Corrective Light, Emerging Cosmic Intelligence, Imploding Timeline Influx, Rogue Corporate Mafia, Coup Hijack the Flag, Planet Earth, Khazarian Mafia Cartel, all about their assets, till death do us part, Bioengineering Society, PSYOP Takeover Scam, Tech Weaponized World, Inoculations, Masked Pandemic, Global Martial Law Plan, Eugenics Who Gravity Well, Flatlining Our World, Hunger Games, Handmaid's Tale, Dystopia Back to the Future, Imploding Timeline in Flux, Golden Gate, Transcendent Light, Harmonic Fractal Design, God Spark Synergy, Beyond Man's AI, Galactic Migration, Transmutation, Universal Law Governing Affairs, Power to All People, Riding the Waves, Pure Source Love, Navigating Worlds, Breakaway Species. Thank you all for joining us today, and we appreciate you all for your support, your beautiful comments, and shining your light brightly into the night as way showers, guiding all those that are lost and have forgotten their true divine lineage, being beautiful, brilliant beings of light, illuminated in the diamond light structures of the 144 crystalline codes of the new earth. Keep walking your sacred path with heart, fully open, fully awakened, and fully aware. The eagle and the condor love you all. Namaste.